in this question, the first principle talks about the offense of criminal misappropriation, and the second principle talks about the intention of the person at the time of criminal misappropriation. Now, the fact says that A was an accountant who was in Jammu for his training for 1 month. On his way to his hotel, he found a check lying on the road. It was payable to the bearer at the Jammu branch of a commercial bank. He looks around to see if anyone has lost a check, and upon no trace of any such person, retains the check with him. Now A keeps the check with him during the course of his training period. That is, for entire 1 month the check was with him. Then he comes back to Delhi and gives a notice in the local newspaper about the check. Then again A retains the check for a period of 15 days, and after this, on his second visit to Jammu, he encashes the check and appropriates the money for his own use. Now, from the facts, at the very face of it, it can be thought that the person is taking a lot of efforts to find the person, but if you look at the facts clearly, it can be seen that he had a negative intention of not returning the money at all. If you look at the facts, first thing, when he found the check on the road, he just saw it around that if any person is there, and then he retained the check with him for a period of 1 month. He could have gone to the bank and returned the check over there, but he kept it with him for 1 month, and then when he came back to Delhi, in Delhi he published a notice of a lost check. A check which has been lost in Kashmir, there is no point of giving a notice of the same in Delhi. Then again for 15 days the check lied with him, and then when he went to Jammu on his second visit, he encashed the check for his own use. So we can clearly see that he never wanted to return the money. Therefore, from both the principles, we can easily derive that option C is the correct answer, that A's acts amount to criminal misappropriation, as he did not use reasonable means to discover the true owner.